Today I'm going to try and do something really stupid. Here I've got Porsche's most powerful SUVs. I've got the hybrid one, I've got the petrol one, and I've got the all-new electric one, which could break my spine the way it launches. And we're going to be finding out which of them is the fastest. I'm going to measure each of these cars 0 to 60 and standing quarter mile times by launching them twice. Why twice? Well, I won't actually be running alone. Someone's come out here to specifically try to beat my times, and I really don't want to lose to them. If this person does better times in these cars than me, I'll never live it down. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow, and we're going to find out which of these Cayennes is the fastest. First up, the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid. I go to the gym, but I also recycle Porsche. So this thing is ridiculous. What we've got is a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 mated to an electric motor the size of a washing machine and the power output of a small power station. 729 horsepower and 949 newton meters of torque. This thing is rather heavy though, weighs in at 2.6 tons. But Porsche said, oh yeah, we will fight the gravity, we don't care. Part of the reason this car's so heavy is because you've got a 25 kilowatt hour battery pack positioned here underneath the boot floor. This thing has a luxurious interior and lots of different driving modes. Look, off-road, e-power, hybrid, sport, and Sport Plus, which is what I'll be using for the launch. And remember, there's 2 launches because I will be racing against somebody else. Let's find out who that is. Hello, Orlando Bloom. You all right?
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Having a bit of fun.
And me. It's my job, it's my life.
On a runway.
Yeah, as you do. So the way this is going to work, right, you're going to put in a quarter mile time on this car, see what you do. Then I'm going to see if I can beat you.
Okay.
And we'll see who can get the best time overall in a bunch of cars.
Okay.
Now to decide who goes first, we're going to flip a coin.
Okay.
No, I'm going to flip it, not you. There we go.
Heads.
You feel lucky?
Yeah, always.
Tails. Oh, dropped it as well.
Right,
tails, tails. Right, so you can definitely go first on the cold tyres. Do you know how to put it into launch mode?
Yeah, so a Sport Plus.
I think we're good, yeah. Left foot on that brake, smash the throttle.
And then release the brake.
And then release the brake when I say now, and keep going. Do not lift off the accelerator until I say stop.
Okay.
Hold. Lift off the brake. Do you know what we need?
What?
Have a guess.
Handbrake.
No. We need to go and drive. I think I might win this. No, don't. I do this quite a lot, don't worry.
That's right. Genius. Oh my God.
Should we go again? Yeah. Left on the brake hard, floor the throttle. No, stop. Really properly hard, like standing on someone's head. That's it, go. Keep it going, keep it in. Keep going. 0 to 64 seconds, keep going. What's the quarter mile gonna be? It's gonna flash it up, keep on. We are doing the quarter mile, 12.59. You can back out of it now, Orlando, chill out. Okay, 12.59.
I feel like, not bad.
I think you can go quicker.
I think it can. I think you're going to have nice warm tyres. Let's see.
I might go traction control off. I was thinking it was going to go quicker.
Yeah.
So do you think I'm going to beat you? 12.59.
12.59, I suspect.
Okay, it'll flash up here, you can tell me. So where is this stability control?
Oh, you're going to mess with something?
Yeah, I am. I'm going to press some buttons. Let's have it all off. There we go. That's not cheating, by the way. You could have done that. Should have known about it, right? Should have done your homework. Right. Okay, let's see if we've got launch. Here we have. Right. I need to beat 4 to 60.
4 to 6.
3.88!
Oh my God.
You've got to read it off. Come on. What's that?
12.30.
It's close.
I did what?
12.59.
Oh my God, not that close. So hot tyres really made a difference, eh?
And maybe the stability, I don't know. So next run in the next car.
Stability, and you go first.
No, we flip the coin.
Oh my God, every time.
Yeah, of course, that's fair.
That's crazy, bro. Okay.
Let's get the next car. This is the Cayenne Turbo GT, the subtle one. Oh wait, it's not, is it? Look, it has a titanium exhaust on an SUV and a diffuser. Of course. Porsche said to itself, what if we made a track car that can also carry a couple of Labradors? Woo woo! So Porsche fitted this thing with some uprated sport suspension. They also removed some weight. As a result, this thing is 300 kilos lighter than the hybrid. Part of the reason for that is that, look, you just have petrol power. 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 650 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. On the inside, this thing feels ready to race. The sport seats, the carbon fibre on the dash, and especially the Alcantara steering wheel. So let's launch it. But first, I need a toss with Orlando. Go on, you can toss the coin this time. Right, I call it though.
Heads or tails?
Tails. Tails. Oh. You're going first. It don't matter with this one. 3? No. And then we'll go into Sport Plus, and then Stability Control. You want it off, yeah?
Yeah.
Those wheels spin. You'll warm them up nicely for me if they're spinning. So you've got one of these?
Yeah.
You have no excuse then, right?
It's true, no excuse. Except for the cold tyres.
Except for the cold tyres, which is the excuse, but...
Which is the excuse of excuses. I'll just do some of this to warm them up.
That ain't gonna do, it's just gonna make me feel sick. Is that your plan?
Yeah.
No, you have to be going quite a lot quicker. This feels more brutal, doesn't it?
It does, it feels it, yeah.
Right, you ready?
But it's not, I can't see launch control coming up.
No, it's only when you mash the throttle as well at the same time, so really push on that brake.
Ready?
Mash the throttle. That's it, go for it. All wheel spin.
Oh, that's annoying.
No, it'll be all right. 3.61 to 60. This is quicker. 12.17, you can back out of it now.
12.17. I feel like you can beat that, that's annoying. What's it say on the...
Well, do you know what? I'm basically working to your schedule, right? If you want one more go...
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want one more go?
I feel like... Yeah,
Before
one more of these, yeah.
So you've got to beat 12.17, that was your time just. Okay. Go. That didn't feel as good. It wasn't nowhere near as good.
No. That was not.
The car feels... Comfort, tyre pressure...
What's the...
Stop. 12.87.
So worse?
What the heck happened there? It's like it went into sort of limp mode.
I think it's maybe because...
Lift off the brake now. That's better. Still not as mad. Back out of it.
How was that?
4.27.
Let's see what you do then.
I'm a bit concerned now. You've broken it. You made it worse. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it off. Just give it a moment.
The tricks of the trade, eh?
Well, I don't know, we'll find out. Drive, Sport Plus, stability all the way off. Because that first one you had was beautiful with some wheel spin, which is what you want.
Yeah.
Boost. It's not as fast as yours. 390. Oh, it's close though! It's going to be close, this. 12.17 to beat. Come on! What'd I get? 12.36. Bollocks.
One for one.
One each.
That's interesting though.
Like your it just, the way it took off,
yeah,
it just like
wheel spinned
dropped
out,
the clutch and went, whereas this, I wonder if it like overheated the clutch a bit, so it's protecting it a bit.
Maybe.
So who knows whether going first is the best or not. Oh, I did Jeopardy. I did Jeopardy.
The last is the E, right?
Now we're going to do the bad boy.
What do you think of that thing? It's a weapon, isn't it?
Yes.
It looks so good.
And the thing is, here in the States,
yeah,
this, I don't think it's performing as well as in the UK because we're on 91 octane fuel. In
right.
the UK we've got 99, and I think it's affecting the performance. None of that with EVs, is there? You don't get lower octane electricity.
No. I think the design on that
looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, this I thought looked the best, but the lines on that EV is possibly...
The front of it especially.
Yeah.
This is the new Cayenne Turbo Electric, and it's insane. In launch mode, we've got 1,139 horsepower, 1,500 newton meters of torque. It is a bit heavy, almost 2.7 tons. Let's have a look under the bonnet then. Now there's no latch to pull, instead you press a button here. It's nice. And that's cool. Obviously no engine to look at because it's powered by 2 electric motors, but we do have a usable frunk. We've got to do the ultimate test. That's fairly practical. Oh, my hips are a bit large, I can't squeeze in. Stuck. Just like the Turbo GT, you've got an Alcantara steering wheel, but the rest of the interior is way more modern. Just check out this new curved infotainment screen. Never seen anything like it before, it's nuts. Also, you can rest your little hand there and just, that makes it so much easier to operate. I like that. Hey, it's cool. Anyway, it's time for a coin toss against Orlando, and this one really matters because it's one each. Right, in Orlando, this is the decider. We've got the Cayenne Electric. You're going to win a coin toss this time, do you reckon?
Try. Heads.
Tails again!
Oh my God. Unbelievable.
You're driving first. No. I'm driving first because as the battery goes down, the power becomes less. Go in the passenger seat. Okay, then here we go.
Ready?
My run first. What time do you think it's going to do in the Turbo GT? You were the fastest. 12.1 something.
This will be 10.2.
Ooh, okay. I'm going to go 10.4. Okay, I'm going to hedge my bets. 3, 2, 1. Launch control. Whoa! 2.59 to 60. What's the quarter mile? You call it.
Not possible. Oh, 10.2.
And what did you say?
10.2.
Yeah.
I said 10.2. Oh my God, I was right.
You get a prize.
Yeah, I do.
You get to drive next.
Yeah, there you go.
But you've got to go quicker than that now. There was a little bit of wheel spin, it stopped the power. What are you going to do? Are you going to go for traction control off? Are you going to leave it on and just hope that you can beat me?
Was there a little bit of wheel spin?
I might be trying to psych you out here.
I think I'll turn it off. Don't you think? Just to see.
Excellent.
May the best man win, as they say. So, off, drive, pump that. You ready?
Here you go.
Yeah, baby, let's go!
Better. Oh!
What?
I know the 0 to 60.
I did it!
You did it! Your 0 to 60 was slower, but
You
you
got to 1 right, 10-1.
You won.
I love it. That's good. That feels good. I needed that.
Do you know what we found out?
What?
You're better at launching cars. I'm better at tossing.
That was great, actually. Needed a bit of that.
I think it might be able to do
10-1.
a sub 10.
Yeah.
I think maybe. But that
I think
was
if I
pretty
hadn't turned it off, I could have gone faster.
Oh, you didn't turn it off, did you?
I did turn it off.
You did, so it worked?
So it worked.
It hooked up so well there, it was better. And it even like
It did a veer.
it did, didn't it? That was good. So yeah, this new Cayenne Electric, my God, it's quick. So then what exactly happened? Well, in the Turbo E-Hybrid, I won. I beat Orlando's 0 to 60 mile an hour time by 0.12 seconds and his quarter mile time by 0.29 seconds. However, in the Turbo GT, Orlando won. He beat my 0 to 60 time by 0.29 seconds and my quarter mile time by 0.19 seconds. And finally, in the new Cayenne Turbo Electric, I beat Orlando's 0 to 60 time by just 0.03 seconds. However, he beat me over the all-important quarter mile by 0.05 seconds, making him the overall winner.
You won.
I took it home.
I won. No, what are you doing? That was a lie.
The camera doesn't lie.
Thank you so much.
We're going to edit that the other way around.
Yeah, right. That's great.
Yeah, he won. Of course he did.
I mean, by the way, he's the pro.
I was almost bang on the money with that, wasn't I?
So I reckon you're going to do a 10.17.
Yeah.
0.17.
I said 10. I said 10.2
10.2.
for my run.
Yeah.
10.7. You did 10.16.
Yeah, you said 10.17.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you were right.
Yeah, we're done.
Thank you very much.